Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful headband braid. From the first section, grab the front lower strand of hair. Now stretch the lower strand upwards and start making a simple braid. Keep it tight and neat as you go. Once the braid is done, secure it with a rubber band. Repeat the same process on the other side. Grab the front lower strand, stretch it upwards and braid. Secure this braid with a rubber band as well. Here's where the magic happens. Take the first braid and carefully bring it across the top of your head, tucking it behind the opposite ear. Secure it in place with a bobby pin. Now grab this second braid, bring it across the other side and pin it up behind the opposite ear. Adjust the braids to make sure they sit nicely across your head like a headband. And there you have it, a stunning headband braid in just a few easy steps. It's elegant, practical, and super simple to create. Let me know in the comments if you tried this hairstyle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!